Hi there! Thanks for joining me here at Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. Today I'm going to give you some ideas for a brunch. For the egg salad, we need 8 hard-boiled eggs. I have 8 eggs here. We need chopped parsley, dill, chives, a white onion, celery, and seasonings, and also sour cream. So I'm going to add my hard-boiled eggs into a bowl. Now I'm going to add some parsley, handful of parsley, handful of dill, handful of chives, white onion, celery for the crunch. I'm going to add the whole thing. This is one big stick of celery. It gives a lot of crunch. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Then if I need more, I will add more. Actually, I think I'll start with 3. 3 full big tablespoons of sour cream. We're also going to add black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll see if we need more, we'll add more. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. It will give a nice kick to it, and it's crunchy. And now we are going to mix the whole thing together, and once it's mixed, we are going to chill it and serve it. That's all there is to it. Once this is mixed, our salad will be ready. I'm going to transfer this into a smaller bowl and chill it in the refrigerator. I also want to serve avocados alongside with the egg sandwich. I'm going to season it. I cut the avocados in smaller pieces. I'm adding some lemon, chopped onions, parsley, salt and pepper to your taste, and a little bit of olive oil. You can also slice the avocados and serve it alongside with the egg sandwich on the side of the sandwich as a slice. This time I chose to serve it this way, just for a change. You can also use the guacamole recipe to make this, but since I was serving it alongside with the egg sandwich, I don't want to use too many different herbs. I already used parsley, therefore I'm going to use parsley instead of cilantro. But you can use your preferred herbs. If you prefer cilantro instead of parsley, you can use cilantro. But I have dill and parsley in my egg sandwich. Therefore, I'm going to use only parsley. I'm going to transfer this into a smaller container too, and I'm going to chill this in the refrigerator until I'm ready to make and assemble my sandwich. And there we have it, our open-faced egg and avocado sandwich. I also garnished it with radishes and some green onions and other greens. Alongside with the sandwich, I have also served fresh pears with beets and 2 different salad dressings. One little bit sweet and the other one is more sour. And I came up with this brunch menu. I have served all this alongside with the sandwich. This was on the server. This is how I displayed it, my brunch. We have made fondue last week together. We also made cheese balls in my previous videos. I'm going to put all the video links down below for you to follow. We also made a peach cookies together. We made mutabel together. I'm going to put the links like I said. And as you can see, I have some fruits and also a cheese, 2 different kinds of cheese, some böregs, kurabiye. I have the recipe for that too for you to follow. Some flavored water with oranges and mint, 2 different kinds of juices, and also the orange liqueur that we have made just recently, a few weeks ago. So you have all the recipes for all of those, and I hope this will give you a good idea for you to put together a beautiful brunch for your loved ones on Valentine's Day. Well, this is all for today. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's celebrations with your loved ones. Happy Valentine's to you all. If you liked my video, please don't forget to hit that like button and also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye.